Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by inspecting the keyboard connection and tablet edge for visible dirt. Check both keyboard pogo pins and tablet connectors for dirt or misalignment. Look closely for bent pins or debris blocking magnetic contact points. Restart the surface by holding the power button for 10 seconds and then perform a normal boot. Detach and reattach the keyboard slowly to feel the magnetic alignment click into place. If you see corrosion, use a soft microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl to wipe. Power down the surface completely before you touch the keyboard connection. Power down and detach the keyboard before any cleaning or reseating work. Use a soft microfiber cloth dampened with 70% isopropyl to clean both sets of contacts. Wipe each pogo pin and connector in short strokes across the contact surface. Let contacts dry for 1 minute after cleaning to avoid shorting. Reattach the keyboard firmly until you feel the magnetic click and alignment step into place. After hardware checks, reboot and check Windows Update for firmware and driver changes. Update Surface firmware and keyboard drivers through Windows Update immediately if available. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, and check for optional driver updates too. Test the keyboard on another compatible surface or test another keyboard on your tablet to isolate faults. If issues persist after cleaning and updates, perform a system restart and then contact Microsoft support for service options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.